as I said earlier, sir, it was very challenging. Because maming, kung tarawan nato, no, we cannot appreciate the image of maming because hindi siya namin yung tsura patensya. But in reality, kanami sa niyang epekto pag-abot sa lalong dagat. No? Hindi actually, kung makita nyo ka-research nyo, makahampal ka mga daw kahalat-lukan sa iyang itsura. Pero, definitely, and true to fact na mga details, kanami, kadamo, at kadako sa pabulig sa mami. So, from the costume wise, to the props, to every details of the preparation, we really have to see to it that it connects to our icons. From the
So far, so good, kid, and very much happy and excited no katahong sa atong mga performers ini nga aga sa yung mga kataster no. Truly maka-proud kid nga makita ang ilang performance and ang concepts ng every cluster naton. Very proud kid dapat ang aton yung mga clusters na pag-perform subong adlaw.
Shown to the world, not just here in Negros Occidental, but yeah, it's the people that makes it very beautiful, and it should be seen worldwide.